What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out the link below. Hey, I'm Sain. If you're new to the channel, I make videos about personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. Listen, I started this channel for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0, in which I started a couple months ago, to 10K, and then I'm gonna take it all the way from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate you. Today's video is about the top 3 stocks under $30 that you might want to consider. And today I'm gonna do a deep dive into the 3 stocks. But before we do that, you guys know how we do each and every video. We're gonna open up 2 free stocks and get some shout outs. Without further ado, let's get to it. Really quickly, as you can see, my portfolio currently sitting at $20,427.29. Finally, for you guys, I've crossed the $20,000 threshold. You guys know I started this portfolio at $0. So if you go back to the first video all the way to now, you will see the incremental progress that this portfolio has made. You can see every single stock I've purchased to this date to help grow it to this amount. But yeah, we sitting at finally over 20,000. I've hit 20,000 a couple times, but you guys know I record these videos for you guys after hours, and sometimes if it dropped, or depending on how the day go, by the time I record, I was stuck at 19. Seemed like forever, but finally sitting at 20. And on the day, as you can see, 112.67 on the day. After hours, we up another $50.34. And so yeah, man, we well on our way. Again, the goal is to get to 100,000. We at 20. We accomplished our first goal of 10. Man, make sure y'all join me on the journey. Please subscribe so that we can go through this together and build wealth together. This first stock today is going to get open by Christina. We want to send you some love. I'm gonna go with the one in the middle, and it looked like, man, I got lucky again. Prospect Capital. This is a company I own, so this makes me extremely happy. For 1 share, $4. And stock number 2 is coming from Teresa, and let's see what we get from her. Again, shout out each and every one of you guys that use my link every single day, every single video. You know I'm gonna shout you out. You know I'm gonna show you some love. And so it's a win-win. When you use it, it helps me get a free stock, and it helps you get a free stock as well. That's the way to go. This next one is from Corbis Pharmaceuticals, and this one is for $1, 1 share for $6.50. And so just like that, that's 2 shares over $10, just like that. And so yeah, man, today's video we're gonna talk about 3 stocks that you can get or add to your portfolio for under $30. And so let me hop down here and we're gonna jump right into this. And stock number 1 is AT&T, ticker symbol T. One of my favorite stocks, to be honest with you. I hold this stock. This stock currently sits at $29.80. Again, meeting the criteria for this series that I'm doing for you guys. 3 stocks under $30. This currently sits at $29.80. I currently hold 30 shares of this myself. My average cost is $32. Really quickly, man, if I can teach you about something, I know I often say you never lose money in the stock market. I want to show you this right here on what a good example of what that looks like. As you see, I own 30 shares of AT&T. It makes me money every single quarter because it pays a great dividend. But as you see, the stock price is currently $29.80. My average cost means I bought this stock at $32.71. The way that you consistently cut your losses or minimize your losses in this particular type of stock, you do what's called averaging down. And so I'm going to buy 10 more shares of this, and that might drop the price to $30. I might buy another 10 and we might get down to 29, and now I'm in line with where the price currently sits. Or I can sit back and let the stock market do what it does, and then when the stock market reaches $32.71, I'm back at a break-even price. And so when you are a long-term investor and you're a buy and hold guy, you're not worried about things like this. As you can see, the return would say I'm down $87 in total. That's nothing. This is a stock that I plan to have for a long time. And it plays a beautiful dividend as well. And so this is a really good example of, again, what you can do on red days. Don't feel like, oh man, the market is down a day, I'm losing money. No, you're not. Just average down. Add some more money to the current position. That's why it's important that you buy companies that you really believe in, that you really don't mind holding for 5 or more years, because you're not tripping. And it's easy for me to add more shares to the current 30 shares I currently hold, because again, I'm in it for the long haul. And so if I can, I would love to get my average cost under $30 and have TNT for the long haul with an average cost of $29 or something like that. So that's just one example of a good stock that's under $30 that you might want to consider. Stock number 2, Wells Fargo. The bank industry being hit pretty hard. It's a good thing for me. As you see, Wells Fargo is currently $26.38. Let's see. I have a small position in this. I currently hold 64 shares. And same example that I just currently gave about averaging down. You see my current average cost is $28.70. That's fine for me. I always wanted this stock under $30, under $29 specifically. But why not buy more? The whole goal of investing to build wealth is to buy low and hold. And so if I can buy this at $26, and not only can I get more bang for my buck, but I can also get more shares at a lower price. And so my number 2 stock for stocks under $30 that you might want to consider is Wells Fargo. My number 3 stock and my final stock on today is Uber. This is a growth stock. I recommend and encourage you guys all to add some growth stocks to your to your investment portfolio. To me, I told you guys 3 to 5 years from now, I can see Uber doing some really big things. And so regardless if they do, I'm not a psych or anything like that. I'm just telling you, this is what I believe. This is why I invested in the company. They're currently sitting at $28.08. I currently hold 25 shares of this at an average cost of $22.50. If they ever drop below $22.50, I'm going to add more to this position. But this to me rounds out a good mix of 3 stocks that you might want to consider to add to your portfolio. So listen, man, I make videos like this. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Man, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you in the next one.